Hi friends, it's Becky, and I am opening up some Beading Advent calendars this season. I have the Jesse James Beads Advent calendar. It has 12 gifts in it, and they are all from artisan jewelry makers, jewelry component makers, and beading companies, and each day is from a different one, and I'm really happy to be able to open that with you. This is day number 3 of the Jesse James Beads Advent calendar. I'm doing it on an every other day basis because there are 12 of these, but there are 24 from the Eureka Crystal Beads calendar. And the Eureka Crystal Beads calendar has 24 small beading things. So I'm opening up 2 of those. So this will be day number 4, or day number 5 and day number 6. And we've got day number 3 for our Jesse James Beads ones. So if you like surprises and you don't want to see what's in here, go ahead and get out of here and come back after you've opened yours. If you want to see the other things that I've opened up, I have created a playlist that I'll be adding all of these videos to that you'll be able to watch and just look through all of them. They should all be very short videos, but I do want to describe it before I start in case this is the first video that you find in this series. All right, so if you are ready, let's open up the Eureka Crystal Beads ones first. Let's do that one today. And they just come in these little bags. The last time I checked, they were still available for purchase. And the only caveat I have with that is they have scented it. I'm enjoying the scent. I think it's really nice. It's not like a fake piney scent. It's like rich and earthy and sandalwoody. But if you are sensitive to perfumes or scents, it may not be the Advent calendar for you. Just word of warning, they do have that listed on there. Also, these are not numbered, so I just randomly grabbed them out of the bag. So your opening order may be different from mine, but they also do put out a list of all of those. Ooh, lovely. Check out these poils. 3mm round beads, silver. They are check glass pearls. All right. So we've got some of these. And then let's see what we've got in the other one. We got some 4mm pearls in one of the previous ones. Oh, looks like we've got some crystal bicones. Looks like we've got an AB finish there, like silver and crystal. I'm going to put a couple on my ladybug dish so we can get a closer look at them. Kind of more of the color. Here we go. So we have several of these. Now I have been, when I've been opening these, I've been sorting them, putting them into this little photo organizer so that I can have them all together, because it feels like we're getting an entire Eureka Crystal Beads collection in this bag, just like one little baggie at a time. So it's kind of fun. It's kind of fun. They did actually just release a new collection as well, which I ordered, so it's going to be on its way to my house pretty soon. If you want to see the opening for that, they've got one on their YouTube channel, and I think there's one on the Bronze Pony channel as well, if you want to see what's in that collection, but I'm excited about that. All right, so this is the Jesse James Beads one. Let's see what we've got in here. I'm going to open up the cards separately because sometimes there is a little coupon code on here sometimes. Oh, there it is. Okay, and I want to make sure that we're covering that up. So this one is from Danielle Wicks, my very, very good friend. Yay, I love Danielle. So we believe we are speaking for all of us when we say that we love Danielle Wicks. You are! You're speaking exactly for me when you say that. She's an artist and jewelry designer based out of the Pacific Northwest. She loves to work with all things beads. Her tutorials for bead weaving and looming are top-notch, which is why you're going to love creating a full project with a video linked in today's QR code. Your Advent gift contains 3 4-gram bags of seed beads, sparkling bicone beads, some nylon thread, and a custom Danielle Wicks beadable. That sounds fantastic. Oh, wow, that is so great honor to CAD fabricate and manufacture it. A beadable. That's it, beadable. It's our second beadable designed by the great Danielle Wicks Winter Workshop. I actually, this is what we beaded with Danielle for the Winter Workshop, and I have finished my first one, but I have not finished my second one. So I'm still working on that one. And so that's a Daniel Wicks thing. But they created this beadable binding specifically for the winter workshop in order to make these gorgeous earrings that Danielle designed. So I'm really excited about this. Let's see what we've got in here. Ah, this is such a great opening. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at the Christmas tree. Oh, y'all, I am going to go do some of this beading. It is the weekend, and I had pre-ordered a book that was just released today. So I like to listen to audiobooks sometimes when I'm beading. It's just really fun to have something to keep my hands busy with while I'm enjoying a story. And so I'm going to be spending the weekend beading and listening to that story. And so check out all three of these colors. We've got an opaque dark green, we've got a light silver lined green, and then we've got a darker, more emeraldy silver lined green. So we've got all these three greens. This is like a full spool of this beading thread. That's going to be more than enough for us to be able to bead with. And then some of these bicone beads. I'm going to open this package up too, and let's take a look at these beads a little more closely. There we go. Sparkle. Ah, what a fantastic, fantastic gift. Thank you so much, Jessie James Beads, and thanks, Danielle, for this. So I have a feeling I'm going to finish my earring design from her, and then I'm going to check out her design, the video for this, and we're going to get some beading done with that. So there we have the Jessie James Beads Day 3 Advent Calendar, and then we've got Day 5 and 6. Again, this is random order. There were no numbers. It's just when I opened them, of the Eureka Crystal Beads calendar. So lots and lots of little beady goodnesses all right here together. And I will see you in a couple of days for my Day 4 of the Jessie James Beads calendar and for my Day 7 and 8 of the Eureka Crystal Beads one. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a fantastic week, and I will talk with you later. Happy beading.